Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone internet not working issue on your iPhones. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of internet, that their internet is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone internet not working issue on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have cellular data enabled. Check if other devices are able to connect to the same network. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on General. Again scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply toggle your airplane mode on and off. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again. This can help reset your network connections. After this, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there's an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and still internet is not working on your iPhone, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. If none of the step works, you can reset your network settings. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and password. So guys, to do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix internet not working issue on your iPhones. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.